Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M5 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black Merino leather inside. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW M5 in Black Sapphire Metallic. And I've just pressed unlock, so we got the kidney grille lit up, we have the DRLs on, and if I press and hold panic, 1 Mississippi, pathway lighting on to show the entire low beam system. And man, in black, this is a definite beast of a vehicle. So let me do a lap all the way around. And this one is black on black on black on black on black on black on black, which really doesn't get old. And especially on a vehicle like the M5, this thing looks menacing. So now that we have completed this lap all the way around the car, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got the beautiful Black Sapphire Metallic. For whatever reason, I think the black cars look the meanest, and Black Sapphire Metallic definitely has some beautiful metallic flake in the paint. And yeah, like I said, I love beautifully bright colored vehicles, but there's just something about black that just looks meaner than all the rest. You see the lines coming down the hood lengthwise, BMW rondelle up front and center, one piece high gloss black kidney grille that illuminates and has that iconic glow design. We have the horizontal slats, M5 badging on the driver's side with that silver lining, split chin as part of the new design language, lots of functional air ducts and lots of space into these areas as well. And if I take a slight step back, you'll see also on either side here more functional air going into the wheel wells. So yeah, this car has a lot of power, so it'll breathe a lot of air and fuel and some of that electricity as well, of course. So lots of big places for air to go into this vehicle. Now if we take a closer look at these headlights, so these are the Shadowline BMW LEDs. 5 Series has the rake down headlights, and all those little intricate patterns inside of there look really awesome. And if you ever see this thing coming up behind you in your rear view, you feel like you should probably move out of the way. And as I mentioned in some of my other videos, the swooping up and cutting edge of this light also gives it some E60 vibes, especially when the headlight turns off. But overall, I really like the design of the new 5 Series, and M5 of course looks even meaner, so loving it. When we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch front and the 21-inch rear double spoke 951 M wheels in jet black with the black M compound brake back there. So this car is completely murdered out, black on black on black on black. And just want to show you the rear 21-inch with the black caliper back there as well. And the front driver fender has the charge port door. So if I press on the 3 o'clock position, it opens, we can receive a level 1 or a level 2 charge here. Got some lights indicating what's happening, and right now it's just white so you can actually see. And we have black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera. We have the full glass roof up top, new style antenna. And if I take a step back here, you can see that beautiful side profile view. And we have the flush integrated door handles with the touch comfort access on the front handles. We also have the M welcome light carpet. It's not very visible in this lighting, but it is definitely there. And a little close-up here of that extremely wide rear quarter. We have M5 etched into the Hofmeister kink. And from this view, look at this rear quarter. looking awesome. We have the spoiler over here on the trunk lid. We have the double L-shaped taillights stacked. M5 badging over here. Gigantic rear diffusers and gigantic vertical rear deflectors. And of course the quad exhausts that are also staggered in position. But man, this car just looks crazy. Now, I'm at the back here with the key. So we'll give it a nice little kick. And inside of here, we've got release levers on each side to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have a grocery bag hanger on either side. This is your level 1, level 2 flex charger. Front plate bracket is here. Got a little toolkit, wheel lock keys, tow hook, all in here as well. And carpeted mats are here. Winter ones are on the floor. We have a button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly just kick our foot underneath the middle and have this close the hands-free way. Now the G90 M5 is a plug-in hybrid. So the fuel tank is on the passenger side, but with all of our plug-in hybrids, you do have to press something on the inside of the vehicle and the driver door to depressurize it so it can open. So if I press right here, it says preparing for refueling. It may or may not, it says refueling possible, perfect. So when we come around, I can now press the 9 o'clock position on the door. That opens up. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, 1 click. There's a spot to put the cap. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, 1 click. And you just shut the door. Now I'm just gonna open that rear door. And inside you'll see we have more black. We've got your door pull, some ambient light in there, unlock, Bowers & Wilkins sound system with that illuminating speaker back there, some pockets. Back here we've got the black seats with the M tricolor seat belts. So I'm just gonna undo these. And seats are not locked into place, so let me just lock them back into place. We have armrest in the center, and up top there's a button here for the pass-through as well, just like that. Up top, Alcantara black headliner, microphones on the ceiling, some lights. We also have a handle with coat hanger. The back of each seat has a hole with a little M here, accessory port with USB Type-C charging port. These are the winter mats, more vents underneath the front seats and some illumination. We also have some vents, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, rear climate controls with heated seats in the 2 outer positions, and we have a little storage area there. So back here, looks awesome. Let's shut this door. We'll open the front passenger door next. So we got another M welcome light carpet here, but again, it is very hard to see with this level of lighting. Let me open up this door. So inside we have the interaction light bar, and we've got Bowers & Wilkins, unlock lock, seating menu, memory, window switch, pocket, M5 door sill, full power seat with lumbar, M5 illuminates on the headrest here, tons of bolstering, M tricolor seat belts. We have the carbon fiber trim with the silver thread, soft touch materials on the dash, illuminated glove box down here, curved display with the M specific iDrive 8.5. We have indigo M ambient light color in here. That's why the M colors are showing here. Down here we've got your wireless charger on the driver's side, a little storage area on the passenger side, and you've got your illuminated cup holders with the 2 USB Type-C charging ports, red push start button, iDrive control with the M in there, and I love how you can rotate this. The M stays in position. Volume wheel, park assist, traction, setup, M mode, M hybrid modes. If I press this, you'll see inside we have a 12-volt plug, and it looks like a key's in there as well. So we'll grab that. All right, perfect. So let me just go close this door. We'll open the door on the driver's side next. All right, if we open up that driver door, You'll see that we have Bowers & Wilkins inside of here. Got the M lights going around like a siren. M5 on the screen, and then the M lights will stay in the center. I think that's a really cool welcoming effect, especially for an M car. Bowers & Wilkins, windows were just tinted 35%, so can't put down the windows for 3 to 5 days, but you do have your window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release down here with some pockets. M5 door sill. There's another shot of those beautiful seats. And we have the new flat bottom steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around. Those big chunky M1, M2 config buttons, paddle shifters, red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display. And up top, I just wanted to show you the sunroof scrolls towards the front, kind of like a 7 Series. And this one does have all of the self-parking features with the 360 cam. So automatic front park, back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot, pre-recorded parking path, and you can move the car through the My BMW app. And we have all of the cruise control stuff. So this one does have the full suite of Assisted Driving Plus. So if I head into here, you'll see that we have Assisted Driving Plus. So cruise control can mitigate speed, distance, steer for you, change lanes for you, all with no hands on the steering wheel. We have the interior camera up top. We have some lights. We have your rear view mirror with the garage door opener buttons underneath. We have the visor coming down with the mirror that turns on the light. And the visor can come out and it does not extend. Microphone up top for Bluetooth. Handles up top as well. So now that we've had a chance to look in the driver's seating area, down here, got your pedals, and if you reach up here, is your hood release. So it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift up the hood. And there it is, the beautiful S68 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo. And this one has the plug-in hybrid system. So powers combined, we are looking at 717 horsepower, 738 foot-pounds of torque. Absolute beast. Positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal there. Washer fluid goes there. Avoid anything with silicone or Teflon additives when it comes to washer fluid. Look at that gigantic hood. BMWs have 2 latches under our gigantic hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. And because this hood is so big and there's a lot of resistance coming from those 2 hydraulic arms, bring the hood about halfway, you literally have to throw it down with some force. Perfect. And if you don't, likely it won't close properly, resulting in multiple attempts. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. And let's get those lights coming on again. Sweet. And I just want to know what you think of the new G90 M5 in this completely murdered out spec, black on black, with black wheels, with black brakes. And what I'm gonna do, if I do a precondition, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button, it's gonna start the hybrid motor, and we won't really hear anything. We'll just hear the fans going on because it's gonna be warming up or cooling down. So I'm just gonna jump in the car and I'll do a little cold start just for the sound. So how do you like that V8 cold start sound? The whole delivery bay is vibrating slightly. that V8 sound definitely sounds mean. So how do you like this spec? I really love it. I think if you're looking for the most badass spec on the M5, this is it. So congratulations, Shereen. You can add this to your fleet of M cars. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M5 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black Merino leather, with the black wheels, with the black brakes. Yeah, so if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.